shoes. There we go. Right, there we go. Brilliant stuff. Oh well. Right, here we go. Now this little comic strip. Brilliant. Theo and Natasha from Russia onto the dance floor. Your time to be. Competition is called Sexy Balloons, demonstrated by Alex and Jeanette. Okay. 9 seconds. All right. Ready? Wait. Missy Bay. Everybody. 5. Jeanette, you're the bitch. Right. 3 balloons. 3 positions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A race against the clock. Okay, position number 1, missionary. Pop. Number 2, bend her over. We call this one the dirt box. Shove it up there hard. That's it. And now the last position, number 3. Down you go, mate. Down you go. Go. Position number 3, Jeanette, bounce on it. Ladies, do not miss. Don't miss. Jeanette, you enjoyed that far too much. Right, we're going to start to show. Keep going. What are you doing, mate? Show you how it's done with this lovely people here. Johnny boy, over you come, mate. Ladies and gentlemen, to start things off, the record holder. What are you doing? Stand up. Of 7 seconds, Mr. Johnny boy and Irina from Russia. Perfect. Absolutely brilliant. Right. Here we go. Missy Bay. Everybody count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, number 2, bend her over. Yes, 'Was that a balloon or your bollocks? Excuse me. Can you kiss them better? Absolutely. It's alright, he didn't want kids. Ladies and gentlemen, a little round of applause for Mr. MC Jamie. Hang on, Toshka, can you rub them better? There we go. Anyway, with tour. Are you a virgin? Okay, mate. Natasha, how was it? Was good? Time of 10 seconds. Mr. Johnny Boy in Russia.
Good.
Absolutely brilliant. Well, I always say, well, you can't do it. You got to rub them out. Now we're going to go over to. No, hang on, Mr. Passo. No. You're too good. Go back. 30 seconds ain't worth doing. Anyway, time for our last couple. Mr. Antonio. Back you go. Right, we're going to go to this guy. And what's your name? Aisha. Where are you from, darling? From London. Pato, ladies and gentlemen. And Julia. Nice name. Wow. Here we go, lads. East London. No, the lovely Julia from Russia and Antonio Pato. Nissy Bay, are we ready? Last time. No trouble. Leave them guns at home. Right, here we go. London and Italy. Get yourself on the dial. 9 seconds to beat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow. Right. What's the time to beat? 10 seconds. Am I right? 10 seconds. Yes, what our favourite position is. Right, Nissy Bay, who thinks they can beat 10 seconds? Make some noise. Next, number 2, bend her over. Wait, he's fucking eager, isn't he? Fucking hell, how about that? Guess what? Who's a virgin? Right, here we go. 5, 4, 3. Harder. 2. Yes, number 2, bend her over. Come on, Alicia, take it. Yes, number 3. Yes, baby. Down, mate, down. Come on, Alicia, pass it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's only about to Russia. But that means... Oh, did you feel that? Oh my days. The time of today's winners, ladies and gentlemen. Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy, where's your girl gone? Where is she? 12 seconds. It's alright. Anyone needs to practice, we can show you how it's done. Now we're going to go over to... Here she... the bollock popper. Ladies and gentlemen, today's winner, Johnny Boy, coming up to this guy. What's your name? Theo, that was it. And your name? Natasha from everybody here, apart from the senior frog staff, are going to get a yard of cocktail. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the boys and the...